Connect. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting topic that has taken place during the year 1874. This incident is taken place between a family, and this has not taken place in India or anywhere. This has taken place in France. So this is about a girl who disappeared for 25 years and then came back into the world. But her ending was pretty sad for me when I read the story about it. So the girl which I am going to talk about is none other than Bronze Monnier or Bronze Monnier. So let me tell you about this topic. So this Monnier was born during the year March 1st, 1849. If you see, she was born in a noble family where the higher officers of the government had respected their family. So the place where she was born is Poitiers, which is placed in France. So what happened is, this girl is renowned to be famous because of her physical beauty, and many of them were attracted as suitors for marriage. But at the age of 25, that is during the year 1874, she had fallen in love with a lawyer. So this continued for few days. Then later on, this information had been known to her mother. So what happened was, as you all know, typical family, her mother refused to marry to that particular lawyer. So what happened was, during the year 1874, there was an argument related to this issue between mother and daughter, and a mother had locked her up in a particular room known as attic. So if you see, this attic is nothing but, it is a very small room which has been placed at the rooftop or top of the roof. It is a very small room where no sunlight will enter the room. So what happened was, her mother had locked her up in that particular room. So initially she cried, but her mother did not respond. So for the first few days, what happened was, she kept on crying, and that noise had heard outside. So some of the people asked what had happened, but they refused and said that it is just your imagination. And also many people had asked her mother that what had happened to Monnier. What they told was that she had died due to mental illness and buried peacefully. The point is, she also even had a brother who is a lawyer. So what happened was, days went by, years went by, even her mother got aged, and her brother got married and had got 2 children. So after 25 years, what happened was, during the year 1901, on May 23rd, a letter had arrived into the police department of France. An unknown letter has been arrived into police department of France. There it has written that there is a girl who had been locked up for the past 25 years in the name of Monnier. But initially the Police refused it because it is a well-respected family and noble one, obviously. But the letter has been continuously coming to their police department. So what they thought was, just for the formality, they will go search the house and later on say that no one is there. That's what they thought. But while they entered the house and started searching, they smelled a bad smell. So when they got to the rooftop and opened the door, they saw a girl who was semi-naked and weighs only 25 kgs and who was in a complete mess at that time because the room was totally mess. Why? Because she was living in her own urine and tools and she was even in a semi-naked form and all the types of rats were there at that room. So police on seeing this took her to the hospital and admitted them. This is one part. On the other part, what happened was they arrested a mother and a brother. The thing is, a mother died due to heart attack after 15 days, whereas a brother is still under the custody of police. Then initially they took him to the court and he was given a prison sentence. But as I told you, he was a lawyer. He had appealed to the higher court and he got released from the jail. Yes, you are right. He got released from the jail. So what happened on the other side? What happened to the girl was due to the mental health issues, she got admitted into the mental hospital. She had a lot of mental health issues such as hallucinations, daydreaming and not even having a proper food. And since she was locked up for 25 years, what happened was she is afraid of sunlight because she was locked up in a dark room. So as a result of that, she is afraid of sunlight. So at the age, then after many struggles, at the age of 63, she died. So this is the small story which I like to tell. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and also tell me what video I should make next. Thank you.